Funny Norwegian sounds. What did he just say? Did he just summon Thor? Skalvita en, funny Norwegian videos. What did he just say? Norwegian sounds calm, until you try to speak it. Even hello can sound like a spell if you're not ready. Scary sounds like Shara, but feels like a bird attacking your throat. Jeg elsker deg means I love you, but I said jeg elsker deg, romantic? Nope, just confused Viking noises. Skalvita en tur? Sounds more like a challenge than an invitation. Like, are we fighting or going for a walk? Norwegian. Trying to speak it feels like reading IKEA instructions. Upside down. Can you say it better? Drop your funniest attempt in the comments. Follow for more Norwegian chaos and laughs.